This is a video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the browser hijacking extension called Pianoic. So this Pianoic is the extension attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This Pianoic extension is typically spread through integration with many free applications, and in most of the cases users just download and install it unintentionally. If it was installed to your Google Chrome browser, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of these extensions. So access the menu, extensions, manage extensions, and then remove this junk extension from the list. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching the computer to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which might still remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.